This is the virtual tour of 896 Wescott Sq, apartment 202, here on July 26, 2020. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. The property is always bigger in real life than it looks in the video. It's got window air, not central air, window air. So when you come in, there's the security panel to let people in or out, and also the fire extinguisher. We're going to loop around this way first. These closet doors are 6 feet wide. You got a little bit of room on either side so it's a pretty decent closet. Big living room. This living room I think is 24 by 12. It's got a little deck. It's a non-smoking apartment, but if you do want to smoke, you can go on the deck and smoke. But otherwise, it's a non-smoking apartment. Coming back around here, we're going to pan out to the kitchen. Lots of cabinets. Got a center island. We're going to peer at everything here real quick, just so you can kind of see the shape it's in. It's in good shape, nice and clean. Kitchen sink. Underneath the sink is it's nice. It's not all tore apart like some. We're going to come back up. Hopefully we don't make you dizzy here with the video. Oven. I don't know how old this oven is, but it's almost like brand new from a cleanliness perspective. And we do expect the tenants to keep it clean. The dishwasher, pretty good shape. We're going to look at the refrigerator, freezer. Freezer, all the shelves are intact. Nice and clean. So that's the kitchen. We'll see it one more time from this angle. And then we're going to go look at the rest of the apartment. So this is the first bedroom, a little smaller. It's about 8 by 10. And it's got a, I don't know, I think those closets are 5 foot wide, and you got 2 feet deep and maybe another foot on either side of that. Mini blinds on all the windows. It overlooks kind of a grassy area out there. You know, and then other apartments, of course. But it's nice view from the windows. This closet straight ahead of us is a washer dryer. So it's a full-size washer dryer here in the apartment. These are Whirlpool duets, full size. This closet that we just walked by is the furnace room, so you got furnace filters to change out periodically. This is the largest room. It's 11 by 12. Overlooks the area of the park a little bit. You can kind of see there's kind of a little park back there. It's hard to see with the trees, but it does have a nice view. Closet, once again, it's inside of it's probably 8 feet by 2 feet. Pretty standard closet with just a shelf and a rod, but that's what you need. We'll hit the bathroom here. The bathroom, nothing special here. I'm going to turn the light on. It's going to make a little noise with the fan. Double vanity. Toilet, nice and clean toilet. Tile floors, the tub. You know, it gets as clean as it can, but those sometimes it gets stained in the fiberglass, but it is a clean tub. And we'll pan back around here. Double vanity once again. Tile floors. We got towel racks on a couple of them in here. And that's the bathroom. We're going to spin to the left here real quick. Linen closet. You can kind of see that. And then we're going to spin back around. Like I say, hopefully the dizziness factor isn't there in the video. This room here is, I think it's 13 by 9 or something like that. Big closet once again. It's 8 feet wide at least, maybe 9, same width as the room. Outside overlooking the park, you can kind of see it maybe a little bit better. Trees are kind of in the way, but there's a bike path down there, a walking path, and a few things down there for the kids to play on. Decent carpet. And that's the third bedroom. So it's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath with a washer and dryer, window air, here in Eagan, Minnesota, 896 Wescott Sq, apartment 202. And we'll walk out here, we'll pan the kitchen one more time. Like I said, a lot of nice cabinets, plenty of room, center island. And that is the virtual tour of 896 Wescott Square, apartment 202, here on July 26, 2020.